Hi, my name is Alexander. Today I'm going to show you how to remove your hardtop to install your soft top and your Jeep Wrangler. Yep. First of all, I'm going to take the T-tops out of the Wrangler, and then I'm going to continue and remove the bolts so we can take the hardtop out. Alright, these are the tools that comes in your vehicle. What we're using to make it easier is a electric drill, but you can do everything manually with what it comes with. There are 4 in each side. The 4th bolt is at the top. You will have to remove the T-top to get access to it. There's a compartment in the back where you can store your screws. We gotta remove the wires. There's a little slot over here where you can put them. That way they are not in the way. We're going all the way by. We're gonna remove this piece, and we're gonna put this bracket. This bracket is where the soft top is gonna go mount. Here, this is where the rear window goes into. I use the bracket that we start off installing from the beginning, and we're gonna put this little circle and this little notch to mount the soft top. Alright, nice. In the bracket, we're gonna use these bolts, and they go 2 in each side. There's one here and one here. Rubber piece is to prevent water leaks, and we put it together, and this is how it looks once you put the screws. It goes right here where we're gonna mount our bracket. It goes right here. It goes in the front. I'm gonna put it right here. Part of the soft top in this bracket, we're gonna pull this little trigger, and it goes from underneath and it gets inside the bracket. Soft top usually comes locked. We're gonna have to unlock it to be able to pull it forward. And now all we're doing is push it forward. Now we're ready to lock it. We're ready to put one of our windows. We're gonna start off with a little slide over here. We're gonna put that in here, and we're gonna slide the window. Put this lip under here to secure our window. Same thing in this side. There's another lip. It goes in this side. And for the last step, we're gonna use this bar. It's gonna hold our rear window. Same thing like we did in the side windows. We're gonna put this and slide it in the bar. All done. If you need any help, any advice, you can just contact Browns, and we'll be happy to help you.